Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to program an Arduino using Bascom. As you may know, Arduino can be programmed not only with the Arduino IDE, which uses C++, but also with other languages. In this particular video, I'll show you how to program your Arduino in BASIC. A popular platform for programming Arduino in BASIC is Bascom. Let's see how to download and install it. Downloading the Bascom kit can be a bit confusing for beginners, but let's walk through the process step by step. A quick way to reach the download kit is to click the Download button in the left-hand menu. Click Bascom AVR. Subsequently, navigate to the bottom of the page and click Bascom AVR Demo if you want to use demo version. Click I agree and click Download button. I recommend creating a Bascom folder in your documents and saving the installation kit there. Access the Bascom folder you created and proceed with the installation of the Bascom program. It is advisable to allow the computer to restart as requested by the Bascom program to avoid encountering errors. After restarting your computer, you can find the Bascom program by searching for Bascom in the search bar. Once you've found it, click on the Bascom program icon to open it. Please note that if you haven't restarted your computer after installing Bascom, you may encounter various errors and the program might not function correctly. It's essential to accept the restart prompt during the installation process. Now, let's see how it works. I have a Bascom file located in the Bascom folder that includes a Blink example. We will use this file to demonstrate. We're going to compile the file now. I encountered issues with Bascom when the correct programmer wasn't selected or if the numerous parameters weren't set properly, causing the program to freeze. As an alternative, I considered a solution involving uploading the HEX file generated by Bascom using an online program that I developed. You can find the program at the following address. This online tool allows you to not only upload HEX code to Arduino, but also experiment with writing assembly code without the need for a compiler or programmer, all within this web page. However, let's now upload the HEX file generated by Arduino. As you can see, the Arduino's onboard LED is blinking at this frequency. Now, let's modify the code to change the blinking rate. After compiling, we'll navigate to the web page where we upload the HEX file generated by Bascom. It's advisable to refresh the page before each upload to prevent any errors. Click Open File and upload the HEX file. Then, click the Uploads button, select the correct port, and if everything is successful, you'll see the blink rate change as programmed. As you've seen, programming Arduino in BASIC is a breeze. But this is just the beginning. While BASIC is a great starting point, languages like C++ offer a much deeper level of control. Mastering C++ and BASIC can take months or even years, but it's a powerful language. Don't forget to like and comment. See you in the next video.